Hey, what's up guys? What's up? It's me again, Dave LeBaron. So welcome to another unboxing of the jacket, and this is also going to be a tutorial video of how to iron on a patch on a jacket. So yeah, as you can see here, my packages came the Adidas jacket. This is a beautiful jacket, so we're going to try to take it out. Oh, it's going to take a while. Okay, once we take it out of the bag, it looks really beautiful with all the black, and this is the three stripes one. And I'm gonna try to make it look like that. Yeah, to iron on that patch with the Mexico patch on the left side of it. And this is a large one, so as you guys were wondering. And the Adidas patch on it is on the right side of it. And this is the three stripes again. Very, very nice. So what you guys are gonna need in this video is an ironer. I have the old one. This one's pretty old. I'm pretty sure you guys have like newer ones than me. Oh, whatever. But yeah, in the patch we're gonna stick it is the Mexico patch. I got this on eBay, so I'll leave the link in the description below. But you guys don't have to use the Mexico patch. You guys could use any other patches like Argentina, Colombia, Germany, or even the club like Real Madrid, because they're all sponsored by Adidas. So yeah, so we're gonna position it where you guys would want it. So I'm gonna put it right there. That's where I want it. And to be honest, I was gonna get the green one on Amazon, but it was kind of pricey, and I dig black more. And also I was gonna get the white one, but then I realized the white one is gonna get more dirty, so I didn't want that. So black is where we're gonna go. So before we're gonna iron on the patch, we're gonna put a paper on it. We're supposed to have a special paper on it, but I don't have it. But the reason I put paper on it, because I don't want the plastic to stick on the iron. So yeah, so once we put the paper on, we're gonna apply the iron on it. The iron is supposed to be like really hot, like really hot, and we're gonna put it like to like 30 seconds or so. And once we do on the top part of the jacket, we're gonna flip it over, like flip it outside, and we're gonna apply it the same thing as we did in the front, because we want like to like stick really well from the inside and out. So yeah, so we're just gonna apply it right there like 20 seconds. So just keep moving it, just rubbing it around to make sure we get all of the corners, so any of the corners won't stick out of the jacket. Yeah, so I just apply that right there. And then the final touch is right here. As you can see, the glue has stick that's on the patch of it. So yeah, it's really stick well. It looks very nice. I love this jacket. I love the black one especially. I would get the green one maybe in the future, but black, I just have to go with it because it's just my style, you know. And if you guys haven't seen my last video, I will leave the link in the description below. And if you guys haven't seen my free gift card giveaway, I will also leave that in the description below. So this is all. Peace out, guys.